Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp19 Excel AppCapstone intro collection. In its project description, you are a financial manager for Judi Arts Gallery. One of your client, Raymond Chancellor, has a large collection of limited edition signed by the JMC. Over the year, you have helped Raymond maintain a list of his collection, including the title of the art, medium, issue date, issue price, issue the price he paid, and current market value. Most of the art is sold out from the publisher, which increase the value in the of the art. Other art is still readily available or is available in the limited quantities. You want to update the list so that he can properly insure the collection his collection. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel, download and open file name Exp19 Excel chapter AppCapstone intro collection. The editor has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. I have already opened this file. That's our file. And if you need help in the online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Pearson course, Canvas course, Pearson Plus course, Cengage course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through scanning my WhatsApp barcode, which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. So now we will move to our second step. Second step is select the range A1 to A6 on the Christian worksheet. So we will go to the Christian worksheet. We will select A1 to A6. That's our cell A1 to A6. I have selected. Merge the cell and apply middle align vertical alignment. So merge these cells and apply middle align vertical alignment. So that's our second step. Our third step is change the width of the column K to 17. So we will go to the column K. That is our column K. We need to change the width of this column K to 17. Change width to 17. Type here 17 and press OK. Select the range K1 to K3 and apply thick outside border. So we need to select K1 to K3. That's our cell K1 to K3. We need to go to the borders. Here we need to apply the thick outside border. That is our thick outside border. We have applied. That's our third step. Our fourth step is click in the cell C9 and freeze pane so that the row 1 to 8 and column A and B are frozen. So we will go to the cell C9. We will move here. We will go to the cell C9. That is our cell C9. We will go to the where is the freeze pane? I don't see that one. In the view, you will go to the you will select the C9 and in the view tab, view ribbon, you will go the freeze panes and select freeze panes, the top one on the this, and you see it's now freezes from row 1 to row 8 and column A and B. You see, you can check this one. When you move downside 1 to 8 now not move, and when you move this one also column A and B will not move. So that's our now freeze. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is select the range E9 to E54 and apply March 12 date format. So we will go to select E5 to E9 to E54. That is our required cell. I have selected. We will press just Ctrl plus 1. We will go to the date format and we need to select March 12. That is our March 12 date style and press OK. So you see we have got our result in this format. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is find the occurrence of retired. We will copy the retired. We will go here. We will select. We in the home tab. We will go select replace. Find what we need to paste retired and replace with the sold out. We will copy this and paste it in the as a sold out, and we will make this one replace all. We have made 34 replacements, so it's okay, and close this one. So we have made the replacements. That's our sixth step. Our seventh step is click cell H9 on the Christian worksheet. So we will go to the H9 in the Christian worksheet. That is our cell H9. What is saying? Insert a formula that calculates the percentage Raymond paid of the issue price by dividing the amount paid by the issue price. So we will just put is equal to what he is saying, that paid price over the, we need to put this one to issue price and press enter. So we have got our results. Click in the cell, insert a formula to calculate the Raymond paid of the issue price by dividing the amount paid. We need to put like that, issue price is equal to issue price divided by amount paid and press enter. So that's our results. Copy the formula from cell H9 to H10 to H54. So we will copy this formula up to H54. That's our results here in the this cell. That's our seventh step. So we have total 31 steps of this assignment. I have performed 7 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignments, or if you want to deal for your complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the end of the video and in the start of the video to get directly into my inbox of the WhatsApp. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.